Sisters, come to draw Hanxin's girl group today. Pack. I don't brush this makeup primer. It feels more hydrated. Boy summer feels very refreshing and fragrant. Fragrant or vegetable soup. I really love using this one. So now the hand sticks a little bit. It's very sticky and it doesn't get stuck. Finally, bring your face. Today, I use blush cream. This color is good with makeup. The cowl looks good. If you open it, you will find it is quite gentle. It's very good to shoot, and the color is more natural. The male brother has a lighter pink face and sets makeup on his face. Use this lighter bead curtain color. I'm sorry that the person just now didn't say sorry to me because you are me. Only one friend. You can see everything as a granddaddy. Then dip this orange with this fluffy brush and give the eyelids a base layer to start smudging. I could have used Xiao just for this carving art. Star finally. It is to draw a small triangle. What cleansing milk did you just use after get off work? If it feels too bright, you use a high powder. This quality is good, first class. It's obvious. This color is the same as you are particular about each color. The color of the flower must be, I want more colors. E. Found a lot of this dark color. I don't like the look of my upper body and black lower body. I just started, but I'm done. I'm done today. Days can be collected. Picked up. My mom. If you want to kill me, you can go to my brother's refrigerator, vegetable garden, and add 100 yuan to eat something immortal. One more time. Time. Out of body. Use this color on the front half of the eye is brighter and more noticeable than I thought. There are a lot of them. I'll quickly get my fingers for him. Fit knot. Upgrade you. You just clamp it to the very root and then you leave it like this for about 10 seconds because it's a very high level and you just need to paint the root, but bring it if it's small. This most. If you have long false eyelashes and eye mask glue, try to apply it to the upper face. You can leave the head unpainted, the dots in between, then adjust the ends of the eyes and knot. Clip the eyelashes together. If you want a thicker one, brush a layer of mascara. If you want a more natural one, don't worry about it. Put on the eyelashes and use them. A small brush to draw aegyo saliva. Only this eyeliner is left, and the upper eye is dotted. Line drawing a triangle. Eyeliner. I wear a little bit of eyeliner. I think the portrait glue of Shanzhong Temple. I'm confused. I only see that there is no oil and no moles are bright. Think I can take it off. Should come from the shadow. Thanks. Then he still has the outline. Click stiff and use a cotton swab to make it natural. It's even better to order a whole table, and it's also thicker with freshly peeled kiwis. It's a shame